Hello everybody. I'm going to be starting a series of makeup tutorials in the spirit of the month of Halloween. Today I'm going to do 3 simple eye looks. Well, we're going to do one what I consider easy, intermediate, and challenging look. The first one's going to be a candy corn eye, the second one spider webs, and the third one bat wings with spiders coming down from it. My goal is to make this something just about anyone can do, because I know I've watched a million tutorials where I'm like, I can't do that. So I hope this helps you with some fun Halloween eye looks. Let's get started. I'm going to start with this lightly toasted eye palette. I got 4 of these on Amazon for $24. Not bad, $6 a palette. This is what this one looks like. So we're going to start with this dark color. I'm going to apply it to the crease of my eye and I'm going to blend up. Now I'm going to take the black and I'm going to use it just on the darker parts and blend it into that brown just to add some more depth. Now, I don't have any like cream eyeshadow to put on my lid, but with this look I wanted personally to separate the brown from the candy corn on the eyelid. If you don't want to do that, you can blend, but to use a cream I'm actually using what I would normally use for my Halloween makeup, which is a Midnight Color Stack. This is priced at $15. Now, to add the actual color to the candy corn, I am going to use this Take Me Back to Brazil. It's a BH Cosmetics palette. I absolutely love it. It is probably the #1 palette I use. That's what it looks like. I'm going to start with orange on the outer corner, yellow in the middle, and white on the inside. Oh, and I should show you what I'm using. That's the orange I used. I think I'm going to use this yellow. As I apply the yellow, I did blend it into that orange just a little bit. You want them to be a little separate, but you don't want to see the line. And then even though the cream color is white, I am going to take the actual white on this palette here, and apply it on the corners. Now, I'm going to take that same orange I used, and I'm going to apply it under the eye, just slightly. After I do that, I will bring this brown color down as well. It's kind of hard to see, but it's on there. Now, for this look, I kind of want to keep it simple. Again, you could highlight up here if you want to bring it out a little bit. You know, kind of make it your own. But for this, I'm not going to do eyeliner. I'm just going to put on some mascara and call it good. And there it is. This is the completed look. As you can see, that only took 5 to 10 minutes. And that is what it will look like. Alright, on to the next look. Alright, so our second look, I'm going to use purple and black. You really could use any color. You could do orange, green, whatever you're feeling. The main thing that we're focusing on is the spider webs that I'm going to put on the outside and underneath the eye to add a little bit of fun. I think I got a hair in my eye, but okay. So, I'm actually going to use one of the other palettes from those 4 I got. This one's called In the Night. And I've had these forever and I just now realized that the color names are on the back, so that's cool. For this I'm going to use the Gate Crash in the Bologna color. What a weird name for a black Bologna. But that's what I'm going to use. Just like I did with the other look, I'm going to do silver in the crease, blend it up, and then apply the black to some of the darker areas just to add more depth. You know, another way you could do this, I kind of did it this way because this is what I'm used to doing, but you could apply the black, blend up, and then just put a little gray on that top to blend it into your lid. I don't know why I kind of do it this way. I think it's easier. looks like the last look. If you want to blend in the purple, you can. I'm going to actually apply it just on the lid like last time, and then top it off with some more purple just to make that pop. So, speaking of pop, I'm going to use this color pop. Not sure how much this retails at, but it is one of my favorites. It is awesome. And I'm going to use the same brush I used for that white cream on the other eye. Now, as you can see, that's kind of bright by itself. I am going to add a layer on top from that Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to add more purple just because I want this purple to be very bright. It's my favorite color. And you can do different variations. I have this stack of glitter you can use. I think I got this at Hot Topic. They have a purple. That would also work perfect if you want it to be a little more glittery. I had continued to do that tutorial and somehow my video cut out. So I'm going to go back to putting that dark color right in the corner and blending it. I'm going to take this purple and put it under my eye and then do a little bit of the black. Now, with this one, there it is, near the eyes. Because I'm going to be doing the spider webs, I'm going to actually do eyeliner on the top. Eyeliner isn't my strongest suit, so if I can do this, so can you. I'm just going to apply a little to the top, and then I'm going to show you how I do the spider web. So, to do this spider web, as I've been saying this whole tutorial, you can vary it however you want. You know, if you're new and you're worried you're going to mess it up, you can make it smaller. If you want to go bigger, you're maybe going to a Halloween party, you can do more. I'm going to do 2 swoops here, 1 more here, and then 1 more down, I think. So there's that. Now to make it look like a spider web, we're going to add little connecting lines going inward, so a shape like that. And there's that. Again, if you want to make it bigger, you can keep going out. You can make it as big as or little as you want. I'm just going to do one eye. With this final look that we're about to do, I'm going to do some spiders. If you're interested, you could easily continue some of these lines and have a little guy hanging off there. So I hope you enjoyed this look. If you have any questions, again, feel free to ask, and let's get started on this final look. Alright, time for that third and final look. On this one, I'm going to go with an approach that I do in my everyday makeup. Makes blending a little easier. And I'm going to use my normal eyeshadow brush that I use. Love this brush so much. For this, the main thing we're going to be using is the Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetic Palette. I'm going to be starting with this color right here. This is going to go on the crease. Not really the crease, more like right below the brow bone, kind of blending up. Then I'm going to take the green, probably this green and this green mixed, kind of put it in the crease, blending into that orange down here. I'm going to cover the inside area with this lighter green. Then I'm going to take the black. I'm going to do the corner of my eye. Alright, so there's that. Now before we add eyeliner and go in to the design, I'm going to put some of that green underneath. Hope you can see it. Alright, so with this, I'm going to apply eyeliner just like I did on the top one last time. Eyeliner is one of my weaker things. I'm not gonna lie, look at that. Let's just move on. Alright, now we're going to add the detail in the corner. I'm not going to lie to you, this is my third time trying to film this because I have never attempted this look before. So bear with me, guys. Third time's a charm, right? I'm using eyeliner for this. I was going to try this Ben Nye stuff, but it seems a lot harder. So, eyeliner it is. Does that look like a spider? I tried. You know, I think maybe my spiders are dead. That's likely. But, there you go. There it is.